Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a Dollar Tree haul. I lost one of my little feet to my mat. But anyways, it's been a while since I've been on other than my weekly videos. Friday was my birthday, and on the 18th, which was my birthday, probably, I think it was the 14th or 15th of November, I got sick. Terrible cold, at least I think. I don't know if it was COVID. We didn't have a COVID test, so I didn't even test for it. But, so that's what I've been doing, is healing from this cold. Today, I finally feel like we actually got out of the house, and, I picked up some things at Dollar Tree. Some things that we needed, most things that we didn't. But, and I picked up some things for like my secret sister and things like that. So, first thing that I got, we're getting ready to go to his family's for Thanksgiving, so we want to clean the car up inside and out before we go. But I found this Armor All disinfectant spray. Kills 99% of bacteria and virus. Kills SARS, COVID-2, COVID-19. I wonder, are you supposed to... For use as a one-step general disinfectant deodorizer cleaner. Pre-clean visibly. So you can use it as a cleaner. Because I wanted to see if it would, like, disinfect my steering wheel. And then we got this multi-purpose auto cleaner for auto surfaces. Probably could use any cleaner. And then I got the Armor All protectant. So we picked up those three. And then a lot of times when I get things, I get doubles. So I have one, and then my secret sister has one. So I picked up these wooden snowflakes, but it has a little hole in the middle, and I thought if they wanted to paint them, and you could put a little Jimmy right there in the middle. So I picked up two of those. I picked up two of the gingerbread men. Figured these would be the easiest to, like a Santa. I'm not going to be able to freehand a Santa, but you can make a gingerbread man brown with, you know, some little buttons or something. That I can do. Got some pom-poms for my secret sister. Found these cute little tags. I thought you could use them to put die cuts and stuff on, so that'd be just a cute little tag. So picked those up. Got a couple ribbons for myself. I got Merry and Bright in this like mint blue. This foiled red presents. And then I got this one, which is yellow, and it has the snowman on it. But you don't see many, like, yellow ribbons for Christmas or winter. So I picked that one up. And then I picked up a couple of the glitter tulle. I picked up the red and then the silver. Picked those up. Picked this up for my secret sister. It says Merry and Bright. I kind of think that I should paint around the border, because it just... You know, it's just like MDF or whatever, but I don't know if I will get that brave. I might. If I paint it black, that might look good. And then Greg picked up this thing that says Hope. I think you're supposed to put, like, pictures or something in it. So he picked up that. I picked up two of the poinsettia, like, little, you can attach them to different things. So picked that up. And then Greg, he loves, hope is his word. So he picked this up that says Hope on it. And my secret sister is into baking and little kitchen gadgets. So I picked up the spatula, the mini spatulas with the gingerbread. And this one says, have a cozy, comfy Christmas. And then the essentials, the things that we really did need, were an oven bag and a pan for our little turkey that we have here at home. I think I'm not going to even make it until we get back from Thanksgiving, maybe the week after Thanksgiving. But let me put all these in here. And then my secret sister sent me a package, and I'll show you what she sent me. So my secret sister, she made this card, super cute. It says hello friend. And this is November's secret sister. She does a really good job with her cards. Just 3 little dots and then one here. I have to learn that less is more. So that little card, and then she sent me the Nitpicky 6x6 petite paper pack from Lawn Fawn, and it is just like all knitted sweaters. So it's a super cute paper pack. I love it. Can't wait to break in and use this. I think that one's my favorite. That one right there. So she sent me that. She sent me an embossing tool. And these are little buttons that have the little knots tied in them. Super cute, and they are sticky on the other side. Here are some little digicaps. They are pop bottles, and they have digits on the top of them. Super cute. This is a thank you kit from, what is it called? Creative Memories, I do believe. So you got some stickers in here. Super cute. And then some sunshiny stickers. Love those. Some autumn leaves. Can't have enough of these. Some little quote stickers. And these are my favorites, the little standouts paper sculpture stickers. These are for baking. Super cute. Love those little recipe cards. But that is what I got from my secret sister from November, and I am going to, after I finish this video, I'm going to get my package wrapped up and sent to my secret sister. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I am back, I think. You know, my mother passed away in August. That's still a journey. And I'm on that journey of mourning and grieving. But it's getting a little easier. And, you know, it was hard on my birthday. It was hard on my birthday just for the fact that I was sitting in the recliner and couldn't move because I was too sick. But anyways, I hope everyone has a wonderful week. And if I don't get back on here before Thanksgiving, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.